How to pair Ikea Styr bar. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about how we can pair an Ikea Styr bar remote control with a light source. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So first thing first, there are certain rules that you need to follow in order to pair your Ikea Styr bar. So let's begin. To pair an Ikea Styr bar remote control with a light source, you can just follow some methods. Number one step is hold the remote within 5 cm of the light source. After you are done so doing, what you can do is just press and hold the pairing button on the remote for at least 10 seconds. Just press onto the remote on the pair button of the remote for at least about 10 seconds and a red light will shine steadily on your remote. Just press until you see that red light on your remote. After that, the light source will dim and flash once to indicate that it has been successfully paired. So just follow this method and you should be able to pair it. You can pair up to 10 light sources with one remote control. So you have a limitation of about 10 lights. You can pair up to 10 light sources with one remote control with Ikea Styr bar and control your light source. Or in order to pair your Ikea Styr bar with your home assistant, you can just follow these steps. Number one step is open the back of the Styr bar and press the pairing button at the top 5 times at the quick succession. Just press it at top 5 times. After that, the red light at the top of the device will flash to indicate that it is in pairing mode. Now give the Styr bar a name and an area, and you should be successfully able to pair your Ikea Styr bar with your home assistant as well. So therefore, just follow this method and you should be able to pair your Ikea Styr bar. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.